Hey there, today I will show you how to edit your Wix site on mobile. It's very easy to do. First, open your Wix app, after then log into your account. After logging in, you will see your sites. To edit it, tap on it, then it will be open. After open it, you will see options here. If you tap on add, and then you will see product, you can add product from here. If you tap on blog post, and then you will can create post. If you also see here invoice, you can subscription, you can add a coupon here, create social post, create an email campaign from here. Then if you tap on manage, you can sales, go to if and then go to settings. uh, you can say settings your mobile app, media manager, business app from here. Then if you tap on the profile icon on then you can see your app settings here. um, and then if you tap on the plus icon again, then you can if you select add a coupon, then you can add a coupon to the website. You can add a discount coupon, free shipping coupon, sale price coupon. um, Also you can go to if you go to manage options, you can add you can also edit website or mobile app from here. uh, Tap on the pencil icon for editing mobile app. Then you can add website picture here. You can change header design from the top right corner. Then you can add elements in every tier in home site pricing plans. You can add your features here for your site. You can add groups, online programs, and you can, if you select design, you can change color theme, text theme, bottom theme from here. And that's it. That's how you can edit your site from weak site from your mobile.